Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at just an absolutely brand new 1965 Corvette. Guys, this car has 93 miles on a complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration. It was completed in December of 2018, so this car is new. We took pictures of the bottom. I mean, it's new from bumper to bumper, guys. Gorgeous car, factory rally red. It's a factory red interior car. You can see it's actually got a stay fast, new convertible top, four-wheel disc brakes, 4-speed, 327, 350 horse motor in it. Just a beautiful car. It's got the Stinger hood. There's not much I can really pick on this car, guys. Matter of fact, I don't know if there's anything that I can pick. This car is gorgeous. I mean, all the nuts and bolts on the bottom are still brand new. Like I say, we've got a picture book documenting the restoration. Great guy. I've got his contact information, the gentleman who bought it from. He's the one that restored the car. In fact, you'll see the picture book inside. All the stainless is nice, all new glass. This is called a Stay Fast top. It's gorgeous. It's got all new Alnock leather interior in it. Sorry about the little snow spit, and you're going to see it in the pictures too, but spring's supposedly here. It's supposed to be here any day. Brand new Toyo rubber all the way around it. Those are new 17-inch American Racing Special Edition wheels. The paint on this car is stunning. It's gorgeous. Again, four-wheel disc brakes. Even if you look, see little chalk marks in there on the frame. They're all the little markings and everything are underneath the car, when the car came down the factory line. It's got MSD box mounted inside the fender there. This is a 67 date-coated 327, 350 horse engine, Holley 4-barrel. It's got a Holley Street Dominator aluminum intake. You can see it's got the ram's horn exhaust manifolds, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a Harrison radiator, Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission. I mean, I'm telling you, everything on this car is just new. Pretty car, man. Yeah, if you want to nitpick something, it's got the original 8-pillar chrome on it. You can nitpick that a little bit. Again, all new easy eye glass, new door handles. We left these on here. They're also underneath the top there, just so that it doesn't mark up your paint. This is a factory red on red car. We left these on. We're not going to pull those off unless the new owner wants them off. There's a little scratch right there you can see. All brand new Alnock leather interior. Buckets, console, Hurst shifter. It's got 93 miles on it. That's it. All factory tach and gauges, clock works, AM/FM radio works. Beautiful car, man. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the stock rear end with the a 355 limited slip or posi rear end. Show you the undercarriage, even though we've taken a bunch of pictures of it. It's new. Yeah, on this side they took off, but just so if people are getting in and out of it, they didn't mark up the. Again, this is a. I mean, you can see everything's insulated inside. I mean, he documents everything, guys. The motor apart, everything. Again, seats are all brand new. This is an awesome car, man. Is just stunning, man. Turn the key, take it right to a show. Our headlight went out on that side. I didn't always figure something. Our headlight went out on that side. It was on and then it went off. Oh. Fuel gauge works. Tach works. Parking brake works, guys. Those are LED tail lights. Again, radio works. Blower motor. Yep. Blower motor works. Doors open and close like a brand new car. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, is that car gorgeous, man. It's getting snowed on. Have a great day, guys.